Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Thursday, February 23rd. Here is our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. A quick summary of what we're going to talk about in depth. We got the tick US models. Cumulative tick remains in a downtrend. The range is established from today's choppy action, meaning do we take out today's or yesterday's whenever you're watching this low or high of the range. Gamma dashboards 400 remains a dominant strike. Significant price action here with this level throughout the session. Lastly, looking at price action on the SPY itself, again 400 main level to the upside, and we had a demand zone form from the newsy afternoon. So to get into that. Here we got tick US model, like I was just talking about, downtrend continues via the cumulative tick. Looking at filter tick, net, pretty flat day, new lows outpace new highs. Maybe we're getting a bit of a character change here. Last 3-4 weeks we saw new highs continue to outpace new lows outpacing new highs. Now we need to see if this trend continues or we do see a flip back to new highs winning. Last point about the range here, we have a clear low and a high of the range formed today. Tomorrow, rest of the week, important to see if we continue to consolidate or if we do see a breakout or breakdown in a continuation. Take ARCX model, more of the same we just talked about. All signals are now turned off with the flip of the long-term moving average ribbon. Railroad tracks down, cumulative tick down. Looking at our SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning, it sticks out like a sore thumb, 400. Major gamma level, major delta level. You can see negative deltas persist throughout the structure. Little negative gamma overhead. A lot of put domination, really. Nothing else to say there. Now hitting on SPY price action itself. Just starting with the daily chart, 390. Large kind of support level to the downside, bull bear line. Honing in on the hourly chart, pretty sloppy structure after the news event today. The range is quite wide. Drilling down more, you can see 400 here. I have this with the white line here. Ton of price interaction. This is negative GEX, as we'll see in a minute. We do have some supply and demand zones that formed with the significant move we saw on the news event. So again, middle of the range right now. Not trying to operate here. Need to look for moves to the downside or the upside. See how we interact with those levels. Looking at the SPY chart on the 2-minute, these are our gamma levels from the 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time run today. 400 remains to the upside. Major supply zone there, negative 400 negative GEX. That was the same level today. To the downside, we have C over TMP. I forgot to post a chart from the 10 a.m. script that we used this morning. However, this acted as a good support level in the morning and then again in the afternoon. Captured both of those bounces. It's kind of how we intend the level to operate. Pretty good there. Again, just noting middle of the range here, not a ton to do from this point, at least nothing for me to do. I want to be operating at the edges of the supply and demand zone, so that is what I will be watching for. And with that, best of luck to you all tomorrow. GammaEdge.us is where you can find us. Lastly, if y'all enjoying these videos, getting value out of these videos, we would appreciate a like and subscribe. So with that, good night and talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.